Hello, and welcome back to our Plan City MBS How-To series. In this video, we'll be exploring the Spatial Daylight Autonomy, or SDA, study inside Plan City MBS. This study builds on many of the concepts we've already seen, but introduces a more granular way of visualizing results, particularly in breakdown mode. We'll cover the pass and fail results, the breakdown results, the details view, and visualizing result labels. Let's get started. To begin, head over to the side panel and click on the SDA button. If SDA results are present in your imported scenario, the panel will populate with its available tabs. Once there, click on the Pass and Fail Results tab. In this mode, rooms are color-coded according to whether they pass or fail the SDA evaluation. At the top of the panel, you'll find a Result Type drop-down menu, allowing you to switch between looks or hour percentage results. Next, you'll find a Building Filter drop-down to isolate specific buildings if needed. In the main visualization area, you'll see the total counts of passing and failing rooms, the color-coded results, and clickable color swatches for adjusting visualization. Below that, the familiar controls appear. The toggle window visualization that allows you to visualize the windows associated with each room, the toggle results on windows, which colors those windows with pass and fail colors, the toggle building labels, which allow you to see the names of the buildings, and then the toggle result labels. Just like in the previous study, clicking the cog icon next to toggle result labels opens the customization panel, where you can choose which properties are displayed, adjust the label size, modify offset from the surface, change the color of the labels, or fine-tune the rendering behavior. And as always, labels will only render when you're close enough to the results. Now let's switch to the breakdown results tab. This is where the SDA becomes particularly unique. Unlike previous studies that color rooms as single entities, SDA breakdown mode allows you to visualize grid point data inside rooms. Because the SDA calculations are performed across multiple sampling points within a space, this view lets you inspect those values at a much more detailed level. As soon as you activate this tab, you'll notice that the proposed building becomes partially transparent. Unlike other studies where the entire model may turn transparent, SDA behaves slightly different. Only floors above the currently evaluated results are made invisible. This allows you to inspect interior grid results without losing overall building context. At the top of the panel, you'll find the result type drop-down box, again allowing you to switch between lux and the hour percentage results. Various filtered drop-down menus, which help narrow down the results you want to see, and a displayed drop-down menu, which determines how grid data is visualized. Within the displayed drop-down menu, you can choose between the pass and fail areas, the breakdown categories, or the raw values. Changing this option directly affects how the grid points inside the rooms are rendered. Below that, you'll find the usual controls: the toggle window visualization, the toggle results on windows, the toggle building labels, and the toggle result labels, which act just like they did on the pass and fail results panel. This breakdown mode is particularly powerful when you need to identify specific weak areas within a room, analyze daylight penetration patterns, or demonstrate performance differences in a highly visual way. The third tab inside the SDA study is the details view. As with other studies, this presents the full dataset in table format. Here, you can inspect raw SDA values, sort and filter entries, or click on indices to navigate directly to the associated room in the 3D scene. This mode is especially useful for technical verification or reporting purposes. And that covers the Spatial Daylight Autonomy study inside Plan City MBS. Within this panel, you can evaluate room-level compliance, switch between lux and hour percentage metrics, inspect grid point data in breakdown mode, analyze raw values in table format, and customize interactive result labels. In the final study video of this series, we'll explore the sunlight exposure, including its unique pass criteria and unit level evaluation options. See you in the next one!